You don't know them, you don't see them, but they're everywhere, whispering, making secret plans, building armies with millions of soldiers. And when they decided to attack, all attack at the same time. Well, I'm talking about millions and billions of bacteria around us. These bacteria, they're waiting for an opportunity to attack and make us sick. I believe you all have experienced being sick and taken medication in the form of a tablet. So these proteins and drugs are directed to unhealthy cells affected by bacteria and viruses to destroy them. This field of protein transport has been advanced rapidly over the past few decades. Yet, despite of this progress, many treatments still result unavoidable side effects. So let's take a moment to consider this whole process of protein transport similar to a pizza delivery. I mean, who wouldn't like a pizza delivered to your doorstep on a Friday night to wrap up a long week? Now think this protein or the drug as a pizza in this scenario. Just like this delivery person is entrusted with ensuring your pizza reaches to your home intact without being dry and soggy, the same level of care is necessary in transporting protein to their specific destination without compromising to their integrity so that this protein can perform their intended function in this spacer. Therefore, a protein delivery system that can precisely, efficiently, and safely transport proteins to their specific target is really necessary in the pharmaceutical field. So, what if I say nature itself had created a more precise delivery system which can be found in plants, bacteria, and archaea? Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a journey into the world of cellular transport, a journey that unravels a secret of a remarkable pathway known as the twin arginine transport pathway, which is also we called as TAT path. In our lab, we study the TAT system in plants. Inside the plant leaves, there are tiny compartments known as chloroplasts. And inside the chloroplast, there are pancake-like stacks known as thylakoid. And around each pancake, there's some membrane known as thylakoid membrane. So our twin arginine pathway resides inside the thylakoid membrane and is composed of three proteins named as HFC106, CBTAC, and TAR4. Together, these three proteins makes the doorway that transport proteins across the thylakoid membrane. Let's talk about proteins. We all know that the proteins are the fundamental building blocks in our life. Just like every object in this world possesses a unique shape that determines its function, these proteins also have a unique conformation structure that is really crucial for their proper functioning. Speaking about our TAT pathway, it does not allow these unfolded proteins to cross the thylakoid membrane, while it's only allow this fully folded protein to cross the thylakoid membrane while keeping this protein in their intact form. Another key fact about this TAT system is that at the heart of the TAT pathway, there lies the twin arginine motif that direct these proteins only to the TAT pathway. So, referring to our pizza delivery scenario, it is like your home address that delivery person delivers your pizza only to your home. So, why do we need to study this very complicated integrated transport pathway? I mean, what can we gain from that? Well, because of its precise delivery of protein by keeping them in their intact form, we can use this pathway as a proxy for various applications in the industry and in environmental application. So speaking about the environmental application in plants, The most of the proteins that are targeted to this touch system are related to photosynthesis. We all know that the photosynthesis is the fundamental process that sustains the life on Earth. Therefore, by manipulating this pathway, we can generate uh, genetically modified plants that have the ability to withstand environmental stressors such as salinity and drought, and also plants that have a higher crop yield. On the other hand, speaking about the industry, we can use this system as a proxy to develop advanced drug delivery system inside the human body. To conclude, this twin arginine transport pathway is a marvelous creation of the nature that invites us to unlock its secret for the betterment of science, industry, and our planet.